Hey guys, it's Sean here, and welcome back to another video, and just wanted to talk to you guys, and, um, you know, it looks like it's about to rain right now. It really does look like it's about to rain, so it may not, but I guarantee you, I think it may, like, rain in a couple minutes, or like a hour or something. But, yeah, so it may rain, may not, but I think like the chance of it is like I think it's 80 something percent. I don't know. Like I don't know. I totally forgot what like the percent chance of rain is for today. But it has to be around like 70 or 80 something maybe. I don't know. So, yeah. That's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.